company.
IntellectEU offers financial integration and development services. The company offers integration of the financial message system, the integration of options for using blockrooms, the operation of new fintech applications and legacy applications via the API. The company serves banks, fintech companies, corporations, service bureaus, sellers and securities sectors. The company was founded in 2003 and is based in New York. The company has additional offices in Belgium, Portugal, Mexico, and Ukraine.
Their essence is financial integration and solutions at the intermediate level. These guys are deeply committed to the highest standards of quality and service. Integration of the financial messaging system. Startup. In the bad old days, you had to make a choice with your smartphone. Do you want a protective case, or do you want cool features? The Ztylus Revolver M Series iPhone lens kit lets you both at the same time. The case provides all-around protection and a raised lid, to make sure your display screen never comes into contact with surfaces, even when you set the phone down. The magnetic attachment technology lets you quickly add or remove different accessories available in the Ztylus store.
The Oreo-size lens attachment provides 6 amazing lenses that can flip up onto the existing lens and will improve the quality and zoom of your already formidable iPhone. Switching between lenses takes only a second, and when not in use, those lenses are safely stored and fully protected. Innovative design choices like that are why the Ztylus Revolver M Series was a 2018 C's Innovation Award nominee.
Success story.
The former solicitor, Becky Downing, developed her idea for BuzzMove as a member of the Telefonica Wayra Accelerator back in 2013 and then launched the business in 2014. Fast forward to 2017, her site has now helped thousands of people move home and has 7-figure turnover projections. BuzzMove allows consumers to create a digital inventory of their belongings and compare and book certified movers.
With a database of over 300 moving companies and thousands of qualified surveyors, BuzzMove can also digitally itemize your home contents to give a real-time valuation of everything you own, which you can then share with insurers to get tailored coverage at the right price.
Downing has raised the most startup investment of all the female founders in the series. In August last year she closed a whopping £6 million super seed round led by White Mountains Insurance Group.
That is all for now. Next time, we will tell you even more exciting stories.